the 12th of April, 2024. French Parliament backs bill against hair discrimination affecting black women. France's lower house of parliament on Thursday approved a bill forbidding workplace discrimination based on hair texture, which the draft law's backers say has hit mostly black women wearing their hair naturally. Olivier Server, an independent National Assembly deputy for the French overseas territory of Guadeloupe and the bill's sponsor, said it would penalize any workplace discrimination based on hairstyle, color, length or texture. Similar laws exist in around 20 U.S. states which,